Oh gosh. Hey guys, so I'm actually on the way to the airport to visit a good friend of mine in LA, but really quickly, I just wanted to share with you guys one of my favorite products from MAC Cosmetics, the Studio Fix Powder Foundation. But it looks like I need to head to the airport in the next hour, so I need to get packing, but I'll see you guys soon. This is one of my favorite products because I love how compact it is and they offer 50 shades. Studio Fix Powder Foundation. One of the coolest benefits about this product is it has a non-creasy, non-caking formula. So no matter how much coverage you want to build, it has this beautiful, silky, velvety finish. Not only do I have this product in my personal kit, I even carry it in my travel kit for my professional work. Because they come in so many different colors, I know that I can always count on MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation. One of the reasons why I love shopping at MAC Cosmetics is they're affordable, reliable, and they're always on the verge of creating the latest and the greatest in the beauty and skincare industry. Benefits of using this product is it's long wearing and I can count on using this all year long, especially during the summertime where you're hot and people seem to get really shiny. This is definitely my go-to product and I know it's gonna last up to 12 hours no matter where you or your client is attending. Now I'll be honest, when I'm playing around at home, I love working with drugstore brands as well as high-end brands, but when I'm in a professional setting such as a wedding, photo shoot, and runway shows, Studio Fix Powder Foundation in MAC is my go-to product. So for the working professionals, I just wanted to share some tips that I do when I am traveling on last-minute gigs. I carry at least 5 to 10 shades of foundation. That way I'm always prepared for whatever happens. Studio Fix Powder Foundation is a great product and a great investment because you know it's gonna work on all skin types and all ages. I personally use NC40 in the Studio Fix Powder Foundation. Drop a comment down below on what color you use. And if you're a working professional, I want to know what colors that you carry in your kit. If you haven't already, please share and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed that quick little video. Now I gotta go catch my flight.
All you wanted was a game to play.